Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to be talking about my Proton Wira's power upgrade. Was not possible without any help. Firstly, I would like to thank Speedmaster Racing. He is the one who built my engine. Secondly, I would like to thank Proride Motorsport for providing the 4G 18 stroker kit. And last but not least, I would like to thank Penrite Oil Malaysia Borneo for helping to transport the car to Miri and back, and providing the oil for my car. Couldn't have done it without you guys. So back in early February 2021, the car was brought to Miri, and from there it's been handed over to Speedmaster Racing. He took the engine apart, and surprisingly the internals are still in very good condition. So what Speedmaster Racing did for my engine is he pop polished the head, he rebored the cylinder block by 1 mm from 75 mm to 76 mm to fit the stroker kit into the engine. The car had a new ECU fitted. It's a 1450 ECU that can be remapped. The ECU tuning was done by DRXii. The car was still on the road and then finalized at BS Dyno. The car produced 98 horsepower and 148 torques. And bear in mind, the head internals are still stock. And so the car was brought back to Kuching in the middle of this year. I got the car back, and by feeling the acceleration is better, I bought a new RPM meter and fitted by FL Motorsport. Now with proper RPM reading, I can rev it up to 7,000 RPM. I'm very thankful for this build, and I believe it will benefit me in time attack events and Gymkhana events. Once again, I would like to thank Speedmaster Racing for being involved in this build, Proride Motorsport for providing the 4G 18 internals, and Penrite Oil Malaysia Borneo for transporting the car and providing the lubricants for this car. Thanks for watching this video. Like, subscribe if you are new, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.